Hi everyone, I just wanted to jump on here and just say hi. I hope that everyone is doing okay at home. I hope that you're doing some learning and that you're looking after each other and staying safe and well. During this time, I have been doing a lot of quizzes with my friends and with my family via the internet. And my favourite round I'm going to share with you today. So one of my favourite rounds of the quizzes that I've been doing is the emoji round. So I'm going to show you some emojis and they are going to be describing a film. And you can have a go at home and see if you can guess which film these emojis describe. I will put the answers down in the description box, so don't check that until you've had a go. I'll leave a little pause in between, but if you need longer, just pause the video and then you can have a go. And maybe you could make some of your own and share them with your siblings and with your adults at home and even other adults if you're calling them and talking to them on the phone. So the first one is this one. Can you see that? So looking at this picture, what film do you think these emojis are showing? Remember, you can pause if you need a little bit longer. What about this one? What film do you think these emojis are showing? Now this one I found a little bit tricky. What film is what film are these emojis showing? Oh, what's this lady doing here? Next one is one of my favourite films, a brilliant film. What film are these emojis? This next one, I'll give you a clue, it's also a book. Very good book. I know that a lot of the year 3s will know. This one, another great film. The next one is my favourite film of all time. I absolutely love this film. This one is also a book. Another great film. The current year 5s, we did this last year in year 4. 2 more to go. This one. And then finally, this one is also a book, or a few books. So that's the end of the emoji round. Big thank you to Annie, who helped me to make these, because she's a whiz on the iPad. Yeah, I hope that you're doing really well at home. Remember to check Twitter and the Larkhall Primary website for updates. And hopefully we'll see each other soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.